From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for June 28th, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. For today's trade analysis, starting here on the daily time frame, a couple of trends that we want to recognize. Of course, the previous uptrend, pretty long-term uptrend going all the way back from February through May. We saw the green trend line and the rise, pretty straight line trend as it went up here. Then we saw a little bit of a retracement trend, a falling channel between the blue and the red trend lines, pressuring lower back down into right around the 0.9800 level. Then it's been moving up ever since then, moving up, a little bit down, back up now for the dollar franc, challenging the 99.75 level today. Let's take a look at this pink shaded area here towards the top of the chart. Zoom in a couple of times. Take a look here. We've seen it here before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days inside the black circle. Found resistance here right at the 99.75 level. So this is the area that we want to pay attention to. If we're able to get above here, we look for the market to continue to pressure higher into the next resistance, which sits right around the parity level 1.0. If it can't break through here, similar to what happened back here, we may look for some reversal once again. So we're really paying attention to what happens around this pink zone. A breakout above it goes higher, and a reversal turns back down towards the blue zone, or maybe even lower than that. So this is a key player for us today in our trading decisions as individual traders who have absolutely no control over the direction the market goes. What we're looking for is price action and clues, evidence that points to a potential outcome. So we need some clue or evidence that it's actually breaking out. You know, take a look back here inside the black circle. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those days significantly pushed through 0.9975, pushed through it, even going as high as 99.90, and then turning right back around and going back in the other direction. Let's see, today's high currently is 99.92. So we've seen it into that same area. It's pushed all the way up into the 99.90s and then suddenly came back into the pink shaded area. So we want a real deal breakout. We don't want a false breakout. So we need some price action that indicates that it's actually going to stay above 99.75. We don't want to just buy it assuming that it's going to stay above there. We want actual that it's going to stay above there. Also for reversal too, you know, there was 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, let's say 4 days, the middle candles within that black circle that tried to pressure it back lower, and then it turned right back up. And then only on the 6th day did it finally turn back lower again. So we don't want to assume that it's going to reverse either. We want price action, clues, and evidence that implies selling pressure and that is going to reverse. So at this point, I think we need to wait. We need to wait for either the market to get above, and let's draw this out as a little box to imply a candle. Let's make it blue and hollow. There we go. So what we need is some price action. Likely a candle above the pink zone will give us higher confidence that it's going to go back up. Or we look for some sort of candlestick structure that implies reversal. You know, we could always look for things like an engulfing bearish engulfing candle, or we could look for a inverted hammer or shooting star style candlestick. Those types of things tell us that there's a sudden infusion of sell orders, and the market could be looking to go back in the other direction. So these are the types of structures that we want to look for around this pink zone to increase our confidence. Now this is the daily time frame. It takes a couple of days for those things to happen here. We don't have to wait for it here. We can go down to the 4-hour time frame and look for those same structures here. Are we going to get a real deal push? Again, back here where the black circle is, let me pull that in now like this. Back here where the black circle is, did you ever see a full candle body above the pink shaded area? Throughout that period, never did you see a full candle body above the pink zone. So that's going to be our clue. The ticket here is that we need it to have a full body above here to imply that it's a real breakout rather than a false breakout. We also want to see maybe the market get back below the pink zone, below 99.60, if we're going to look for it to go back down, similar to what it did back here a couple of times, getting below 99.60, turning it back lower again, even in this short period back to the blue zone. So again, I think we need some structure above the pink zone to improve our confidence it's going to go up to the next resistance, or a structure below the pink zone to improve our confidence it's going to go down to the next support. Until then, the market's just trying to fool us smaller traders into buying or selling before it makes its next move for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.